Good morning students. In this class we are going to discuss about autocorrelation function. So the formula for autocorrelation is given by Rxx of tau equal to expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. So this is the notation for autocorrelation function, that is Rxx of tau. Where E of x of t into x of t plus tau is given by the formula integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into x of t plus tau into f of theta into d theta. This is f of theta we know. So f of theta into d theta. So first problem, find the autocorrelation function for x of t equal to a cos of omega t plus theta, where theta is uniformly distributed in 0, 2 pi. So we are going to find the autocorrelation function Rxx of tau. So for that we need x of t and x of t plus tau. Here x of t is given in the question itself. So we are going to find x of t plus tau, and also we need f of theta. So first let me write f of theta and x of t plus tau. So x of t is given by x of t is equal to a cos omega t plus theta, and x of t plus tau is given by replace t by t plus tau. So that is a cos, when you replace t by t plus tau you get omega t plus omega tau plus theta. Next one, given function, that is theta is the random variable which is uniformly distributed. Since theta is uniformly distributed in the interval 0, 2 pi, our f of theta is given by, so f of theta formula is 1 by b minus a, where b is the upper limit and a is the lower limit. Here the upper limit is 2 pi and the lower limit is 0. So you get 1 by 2 pi minus 0, that is 1 by 2 pi in the interval 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. So here all things are what we needed is given. So now let us write the autocorrelation function Rxx of tau. So Rxx of tau is equal to expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. So this is nothing but integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into x of t plus tau into f of theta into d theta. Now Rxx of tau is equal to integral. So what is the limit here? 0 to 2 pi is our limit. So 0 to 2 pi. X of t is given by a cos omega t plus theta, and x of t plus tau is given by a cos omega t plus omega tau plus theta into f of theta. So f of theta is given by 1 by 2 pi into d theta. So let me take all the constants outside. So we have 2a, so a into a square. So a square by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi cos of omega t plus theta into cos of omega t plus omega tau plus theta into d theta. So now you have to integrate this with respect to theta. So first let me simplify this. This is in the form cos A cos B. So what is the formula for cos A cos B? So that is nothing but a square by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi. Cos A cos B is given by cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B by 2. So cos of A plus B is nothing but you have to add these two things. When you add these two things you get 2 omega t plus 2 theta plus omega tau plus cos of A minus B. When you subtract these two you get cos of omega t and omega t gets cancelled and theta also gets cancelled. So cos of minus omega tau into d theta. Here on 2 will be there. So 2 into 2 it will become 4 pi. So that is a square by 4 pi into integral 0 to 2 pi. Let me split this integral. So cos of 2 pi omega t plus 2 theta plus omega tau into d theta plus integral 0 to 2 pi cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos omega tau into d theta. So when you integrate you get sin, so this becomes 0, and by 4 pi into integral of cos. So integral of theta is theta and the limit is 2 pi into cos omega tau. So the answer is pi and pi gets cancelled. So a square by 2 cos omega tau is our autocorrelation function. Hope you understand. Thank you.